Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, November 8th. Seeing some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. We do anticipate these clouds to thin out a bit as we go towards the afternoon. Still going to be a little bit of a chilly to a seasonable day across the area, and then we're going to see an uptick in cloudiness once again tonight before we get a chance of rain tomorrow. Taking a look at our temperatures across the region yesterday, we did see a little bit of a warmer day across the region with many locations near 70 degrees. Areas to our north were a little bit cooler, seeing highs in the mid 60s. Lows this morning were fairly mild across the region, seeing widespread temperatures in the lower 50s. Areas near the Tidewater did see lows near 60 degrees. Did see a little bit of rain areas far to our south, just a few sprinkles down there with that disturbance that moved well south of the region that helped to give us those cloudier skies earlier this morning. As of 9 a.m., seeing about in the upper 50s for most locations, a little bit cooler to our north. We do anticipate that to be the case, only expecting temperatures in the lower to mid 60s today under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Taking a look at our sounding across the region this morning, seeing some northeasterly winds at the surface up to about 3,000 feet. We are seeing a bit of a wind max at that 1,000 foot level, and then those winds are waning a bit at 3,000 feet as they switch more southwesterly and then becoming west-southwesterly from 9,000 feet upwards, increasing gradually up to 72 knots at the 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning just below 11,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, see we had some light rain in the extreme southern portions of the mid-Atlantic there that gave some trace amounts of rain to the Tidewater, and then just saw some abundant cloudiness here. As you can see on the satellite loop, that cloud cover is starting to decrease from the west. We are going to see a little bit of more sunshine as we go towards the late morning and early afternoon hours here at Wallops. We're also going to continue to see some northeasterly winds throughout the day today. They are going to increase just a bit as we go towards the middle of the day here, but not expecting a wind advisory. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that system moving off towards the east as we have some high pressure dominating central portions of the country. As we go towards tonight, going to be seeing just a little bit of weak upper level energy moving across the area. All that's going to really do is help to give us an uptick in cloudiness. And then we are going to be seeing another system move across the area tomorrow. Could be seeing a slight chance of a sprinkle tomorrow morning, but that looks less than a 15% chance for that to occur, with the best chance of rain as we get a front moving through the area happening mid to late afternoon and into the evening tomorrow. So looking at our forecast charts here, going to be just seeing some partly to mostly cloudy skies as we go through the day, and then tonight going to be seeing a little bit more of an uptick in cloudiness, becoming overcast at times. As you can see, that system starting to establish itself overnight. That's going to impact us tomorrow. A little bit of a error here on the map with all this clutter, but going to be seeing that front start to strengthen just a bit by tomorrow morning as it crosses the Appalachians. And then tomorrow evening, that's when we're going to start to see that front impact the area. There is going to be also a little bit of a weak system from the south moving up, and that's going to help to give us some rain showers, mainly in the afternoon. Also can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm. I think the best chance for thunderstorms is going to be shortly after sunset here, but looks like a pretty slight chance, only running around a 20% chance, with the best chance just for seeing some scattered showers. And that front's going to move off east of the area in the middle of the night Friday, and behind that we're going to get some colder and drier air moving in as we have high pressure building into the area. That's going to give us a little bit of a breezy day Saturday, but it's also going to really drop our temperatures, only expecting highs near 50 degrees here for the weekend as that cold high pressure builds into the mid-Atlantic. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, not looking at any weather hazards, just going to be seeing a temperature of 62 as we go towards the early afternoon hours. Winds are going to be northeasterly throughout the day, maxing out around 11 to 16 knots with a little bit higher gusts just before the noon hour there, and then slowly decreasing as we go through the afternoon and evening, still remaining from the northeast through much of the night around 6 to 11 knots, then increasing a bit from the northeast at 8 to 13 knots by mid-morning Friday under cloudy skies. Going to be seeing a fairly somewhat mild low tomorrow morning of 48 degrees. As we look at our terminal forecast, we are going to be seeing we are seeing as 10 a.m. just some broken mid-level clouds, and as we go toward this afternoon, going to be seeing a little bit of a decrease. Those mid-level clouds should become a few at 10 and a few at 15,000. Still going to be seeing a very thin cirrus deck throughout the afternoon hours, and after starting around sunset, we're going to start to see those mid-level clouds increase again, becoming broken at 15, then broken at 12,000 feet, and overnight going to be seeing overcast skies with that overcast deck being near 10,000 feet, and then seeing some just a few to scattered at between 3,000 and 5,000 feet as we get towards the pre-dawn hours of Friday, becoming broken at 2,500, broken at 4,000 for Friday morning. So we're going to be seeing those ceilings a little bit lower, and can't rule out a slight chance of a stray shower by the mid-morning hours of Friday, but like I said, that looks to be around a 15% chance or less, seeing the best chances for rain tomorrow in the afternoon. So for tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly cloudy to overcast skies throughout the day. Best chance for some scattered rain showers is going to be in the afternoon. It is going to be slightly breezy at times as we have that front approaching, and we are going to be seeing those winds south or southeasterly throughout the day Friday. That'll kind of keep a little bit of a cap on our temperatures, and then right before that front approaches, those winds do look to shift more southwesterly, giving us a high of 64. So expecting a high to be a little bit later in the day than normal tomorrow. Friday night looks like our best chance of seeing the rain. Looks like the rain's going to arrive after about 7 or 8 p.m. and then persisting through around midnight, and with some isolated showers possibly lingering a couple hours after that. And then with that initial frontal passage around between 8 and 10 p.m., looks like our best chance of seeing thunderstorm. Still looks only around 20% chance of that happening. It's going to be breezy at times. We'll see those winds flirting with wind advisory criterias. And then as we go in towards the pre-dawn hours of Saturday, we'll start to see that cooler, drier air mass moving in. That'll drop the low down to around 46. It is going to be breezy behind that front as that pressure gradient tightens as high pressure builds in, especially on Saturday. So it does look like a pretty good chance of seeing a wind advisory Saturday, and it is going to be partly cloudy early. Then as high pressure continues to build in, that's going to really clear those clouds out, becoming mostly sunny, seeing a chilly high Saturday of 51. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, you can see we're going to be seeing temperatures in the lower to mid 60s the next 2 days. That rain is going to arrive mainly tomorrow afternoon. Saturday and Sunday looks to be a very sunny weekend. However, it will be rather chilly out there as we have that cold, high pressure settled over the area. So Saturday is going to be a little bit breezy as that high pressure continues to move in. And then Sunday, that high pressure should really be overhead with that cold air mass in place. So going to be seeing some calm winds Sunday morning, dropping that temperature below freezing across much of the Delmarva, possibly seeing the upper 20s in more central portions near Salisbury. We're going to be seeing a high only of around 50 degrees on Sunday with pretty calm winds and sunny skies. Then Monday, we're going to see those winds shift more southeasterly as our next system approaches from the south. That's going to give us a mostly cloudy day, seeing a high of 57. Can't rule out some sprinkles in the late afternoon hours, but the best chance of rain looks to arrive after 8 p.m. Monday, and then Monday night's going to be pretty rainy as we start to get impacted by that system. Can't rule out at this point a slight chance of a thunderstorm, but right now that looks very unlikely. Less than 10%. Looks like it's just going to be a showery night on Monday night into Tuesday, possibly rather breezy as well. And that rain is going to persist throughout the day on Tuesday, so that might be make any Antares work a little bit cumbersome. But like I said, looks like just some rain and wind. Very, very low chances of lightning at this time. Looking at a high of 62 on Tuesday, and then Wednesday we're going to start to see high pressure build back in. That's going to really cool things down. Looks like a pretty cool air mass going to start moving in for the Wednesday and Thursday time frame. Only looking at a high in the mid to upper 40s for Wednesday under partly cloudy skies. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief. Have a great day.